Serious gbege shele for Senate floor after dem present and review the ad hoc committee report wey concern emergency rule for Rivers State, especially the screening and approval of the new Chairmo for Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission (RSIEC). Ten sion rise as lawmakers begin drag matter on top the nomination of Michael Ode wey no be Rivers person as RSIEC Chairmo. The appointment vex many senators wey dey the minority party side. Senate Minority Leader Abba Moro plus 2 other senators no hide their anger as dem yarn say even the first appointment of one sole administrator wey no come from Rivers State don already cause kasala before.
And you know that there were some eyebrows raised when he was appointed administrator. Now he has gone to pick a cross-river person again to become chairman of the electoral
I think order, please. Minority Leader, 1 second remaining. 1 second.
At the end of the day, if you say it's politics, there is no problem with it because we are all politicians and his policies have brought us here. So what? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not going to be talking law here. I'm talking about ethics. And so, Mr. President, what you want to hear is that we are going to take this report.
I've been to Rivers State almost 40 years ago, and I know the quality of people in Rivers State. I do not see any logical reason why a Rivers man will not chair this electoral commission. That the committee has reported, I'm okay, but let it be on record that I don't see the necessity of having somebody from another state chairing a local election committee of another state.
Let it be on record that I, Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume, I'm not against the appointment of whoever you recommended, but under the current circumstance and the fact that if today you want to interview 100 or even 1,000 qualified people for this position from Rivers, you will get it to choose from. If the argument you are giving me now is that you want to get somebody out of Rivers so that the person that will be in charge of this will be unbiased in any way, that is a different thing. But the people should be carried along.
But Senate Leader Okpeyemi Bamidele and Senate Chief Whip Tahir Mongono stand gidigba to defend the nomination as dem yarn say nothing for constitution stop wetin dem do.
Dear distinguished members of this committee, the case of Rivers is a peculiar situation. It's an emergency rule. I have all the respect for the people of Rivers State. All the 6 other members, the 6 members are from Rivers. But the chairman we are bringing because we need all the neutrality that we can get. Not only someone who will just be neutral, but someone, not only that will be neutral, we want to be seen as being transparently neutral. And this is part of their transparency.
There is no constitutional inhibition. We are good to go. We are here to uphold the Constitution. In fact, we even swore to uphold the Constitution. And there is no any inhibition by way of the constitutional provision, which is the grand norm of the land. As a Nigerian, any Nigerian is free to take up appointment anywhere in Nigeria.
Even though them argue certain tension high, the report still passed with plenty voice votes, and them confirm Michael Ode as RSIEC Chairmo with other members.
Well, as a leader, as a minority leader, I'll give you the chance to speak. But after that, we go to a committee of vote. Then we put the nomination to vote.
Thank you.
If you want to defeat it. If it goes fine,
No.
I want to. They can't defeat it. It's politics. Order, please. Order, please. It's politics. The nomination of 1, Michael Ekpali Ode, PhD, Chairman. Tobira Lezasi Lenne, member. Professor Arthur N. Chuemere, JP, member. Professor Woki Godfrey Ngozi, member. Professor Joyce Oroni Kaninwo, member. Bruce Olive Agboma, member. Chidi Ebenezer Holiday, member. As chairman and members of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the committee of the whole? Thank you, Senator Nengi, for affirming that this is what took place in the committee of the whole.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.